This one number changed everything. I sat down and compared the pay plans from Great Life Worldwide, Epic Ignyte, and HBA side by side as online work from home options. And when I looked at how many members each one needs before you're actually in profit, one of these wasn't even close. So let's look at the first option here, which is Great Life Worldwide's pay plan. I put that into just Google AI. It pulled back the pay plan, and I told it to provide me an example for 10 members. And we're not gonna, as you can see here, we're not gonna look at some of the upfront payouts because that's not residual income. That's not monthly. Those are just one time. So we want to know what is the reliable income we can count on month to month. And as you can see here, what it's telling me here is I have some upfront payouts of $200 to $250. Again, that's the one-time pay. If you look below that, month two, which is really the key indicator, you can see it says $55 per month. That's for 10 members. So keep that in mind. Now for the second option, what we have here is Epic's Ignyte pay plan. Same thing, put it in Google AI and told it provide an example for 10 members. And you can see here the total estimated monthly earnings are $139. Again, we're not going to factor in bonuses or one-time payouts, just the monthly residual incomes we can count on. And for our third and last option, here we have HBA, Home Business Academy. Same thing, Google AI, put pay plan in it, told it to provide an example for 10 members. And as you can see here, it breaks down. If those members are premium members, it's $1,000 per month, every month. Significant difference. Numbers speak for themselves. This is the one criteria that stood out to me when comparing these pay plans is with the HBA, just 2 members and you're in profit. So made sense to me that when we're comparing 10 members, how this one, it's not even close. It just stands out. Again, if you have 10 premium members, that's $1,000 monthly income residual to you. If what I just walked through resonates with you and you want an online work from home setup where only 2 customers put you in profit and a done for you sales system handles the selling, go to each or click the link in the description below.